Hey there camper, welcome back! Today I've got something really cool to show you. This is what you call a flipbook. It's made up of a bunch of cards with drawings on them, and when you flip them quickly, the drawings look like it moves. Let's make our own. All you need to make one are cards and something to write with. And if you have them, a binder clip and a flat light source are very helpful, but you'll be fine if you don't have them. Let's get started. The movement effect we see when we use the flipbook is achieved by keeping the drawings on each card very similar. That's why we use the flat light. It will allow us to see the drawing from our previous card and trace over it. Here you can see I'm drawing on one side of the card. If we draw in the middle, we won't be able to see our drawing move in the end. I'm also tracing over everything but one arm on every card. That's because the only thing moving on this stick figure is one arm, and ideally, when I'm finished, the only movement you'll see is one arm waving. As I'm drawing, I only move the arm a little bit on each card. If the movements are too big, then the flipbook won't make much sense when we flip it. We also want to make sure we are organizing each card as we finish them. I like to place them face down with the character on the bottom half of the card. This will make sure that each card stays aligned as we draw, so we don't have to reorganize at the end. Once you finish your last card, it's time to turn off the flat light and try your best to align the cards with one another. Once they're aligned, you can add the binder clip on the side with no drawing. If you don't have a binder clip, you can use your hands. Now, let's see how our flipbook turned out. One of my favorite parts about making flipbooks is everyone starts their flipbook the same way, with a bunch of empty cards and a full imagination. That's why no two flipbooks are the same. We might all start with a blank canvas, but we all have unique imaginations. That's why the possibilities are endless. You can make a ball bounce or make a sunset. You can also make an animal walk and make it fly all in the same flipbook. You can even do what I did and make a stick figure wave, but yours will be unique because you made it. Well, I can't wait to see what kind of flipbooks you make, and I hope you have a ton of fun. Thank you for coming to our camp. Please hurry back, and I'll see you next time.